Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can start applying right away that's really going to help enhance your online presence as well as give you more organic leads so you don't have to rely on paid lead services. So nearly 70% of your leads come from your website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. Okay, so it's great that you have your quote and your click to call on top. That's really good. You want to make it as easy as possible for your customers. The next thing I notice is this is a Google profile website and that your website is not secure. So you need to make sure that your website is a secured website and get your SSL certificate and get it secured. A website that is not secured can be hacked. It can give all your visitors viruses. You can run into branding issues and theft and all sorts of things that can actually cost you a lot of money down the road by not having this secured. So go get that secured. And then you're going to want to build your site on a better platform. You need to have more control over your design, your pages, and your SEO. That's going to be really critical for you. This site will aid your Google My Business profile in the ranking, but that's pretty much it. So let's look at your page here. All right. So really don't have much actual content here. Google ranks websites not based on appearance, but based on content. Content is key and you need a lot of it. Your homepage needs to have at least 1,000 words, if not more. If your competitors have more than 1,000 words, you're going to need more than 1,000 words. Always need more than what they have. You need to, sorry, you need 250 words for every keyword that you're going to target. And your homepage is supposed to be the strongest page of your website. So this should be a page of a summary of each of your services and focused around those local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching in your town for your services. So that's going to be really, really important. You also need to make sure that you have a separate page for every individual one of your services, which you do not have. So you need a separate page. That way you can build content around that service in your location, and go after keywords. Every single page throughout your website has to have original content, and every page has to go after their own unique local keywords. Um, Duplicated content and going after the same keyword on multiple pages will get you penalized by Google. And then if you're servicing multiple service areas, every area that you service that has search volume for your services needs their own page. That way you can actually be found organically for each of those services online. Now, looking at your top competitor, we got Ruderman. I believe this is a franchise. So you actually don't have to compete against the franchise. You're only competing against the location. And you are actually at an advantage because franchisees cannot modify their website. Whereas you can. You can add as many pages as you want, add as much content, and really, really focus on your keyword strategy. They don't have that luxury. They have what they get. So in order for them to rank for keywords that are not on their page, they have to go a roundabout way to do it, and it takes 4 and 5 times longer, and it's just a lot more work. So Generally, it's super easy to beat them, but you do have to have more content. And as you can see, they have a lot more content than you do. So you need to beat their content and focus it on your local keywords, and also add your service areas. Have their own pages. And then support your website with SEO, because without it, you're not going to get found online. We look here, you have a score of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow. Google does not trust your website 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. While you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. This is a popularity contest in Google. The more relevant the links are that you tie to your website, the more authority and power it's going to give you. Google gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. Anything else is considered spam, and you need to be going after do follow links. Now, a referring domain is any website that will provide your website with a link from their site to your site, whereas the backlink is just that physical link coming from the other website to your site. Whole purpose is to drive traffic to your website. No, you have one link and it is not do follow, so you actually have 0 links helping your website. You've got no keywords and you're getting no traffic, so you're missing out on a ton of customers. We look at your competitor. We don't care how their website is performing, just this one location, and they have a 6, and that is all because of the power of the website, because they don't have any backlinks referring domains on this page. They're not doing any SEO to actually get found in the area, so they're going to be super easy to beat, but you have to work on those content and keyword strategies. And the only reason they are showing up higher in organics is because of the power of this site. So when you come in and you do the steps that I showed you, you will be outranking these guys. And the last piece of this is this Google My Business section or Google Maps. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of people search in the maps and don't go anywhere else. So when you're not in this top 3, you send all of those leads to your competitors, leaving money on the table. In order to get in the top 3, there are several factors. Most important is your citations. The name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you will need a lot more of those than your competitors, but when you follow all of these tips I have provided you, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for all of your services in each service area. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.